I'm here at a new remodel. The whole place is being redone. Look at the beautiful view behind me. That's the city of LA. Awesome location. Call us if you're interested. We're not yet on the market. We'd be happy to talk to you about it. Ever wonder what goes behind the walls of your new construction or newly remodeled house? Come take a look. Still coming soon. It's currently being remodeled. You'll see all new drywall, all new flooring, ceilings. Basically everything inside the house has been touched and renovated. Let's check out the master bedroom first. This is a master bedroom. It's got its own air conditioning unit, a nice window. This would be the walk-in closet, and then this would be the ensuite bathroom. So inside the master bathroom, you'll see plumbing here. Can you point here? This is the plumbing for the shower, which is gonna go in. And this is called PEX pipe. This is the new plumbing standard. They no longer do like full copper. Used to be galvanized, then copper, now PEX. And then this side, looks like they've extended to the other side, maybe some body sprays. Maybe they're planning like body sprays from both sides. That would be kind of cool. That's the fan, which will exhaust fan, which will pull the moisture out of the bathroom and blow it outside the house. This is your plumbing for the toilet. And this is your cold and hot plumbing for your sink. So it's gonna be sink, toilet, and then bathroom, and then shower next to it. Let's go check out the next bedroom. So that will be the second bedroom. Then a closet, a bathroom in the middle. Again, you see the sink plumbing on the right, the toilet plumbing in the middle, and the shower box on the left. And they have pocket doors here. See these pocket doors? They slide in and out of the wall to save space when you swing it open. And here's the third bedroom, which also has its own closet and a window. Now this is the open living area. It's got beautiful views of the valley, the city on that side. Fireplace here. And then you'll wrap around living area, and then you'll have a kitchen set up here. And next to the kitchen will be, inside that room is the laundry room. And then check out the tray ceilings. These are a great accent. Sometimes people put lighting up there. This house is coming soon. So if you have any interest in a newly remodeled house in LA, give us a call. We would love to answer any questions and maybe bring you in for a visit if you're interested.